What if the foundation you're about to order online isn't as flawless as it looks on the website? That's exactly what we're uncovering today in this review of Lanera Foundation and the website getlanera.com. Marketed as the best foundation. In cosmetics, Lanera Foundation presents itself as a game changer in the beauty industry. But when you look closer, the shine starts to fade. The brand boldly claims partnerships with well-known names like Glamour, InStyle, and Elle, but there's no real proof that these collaborations exist, which immediately raises questions. Digging deeper, the lack of proper contact details, vague refund policies, and inconsistent Trustpilot reviews create even more doubt about how trustworthy this brand really is. Many buyers have reported serious problems. Some never received their orders at all, others complained about half-filled bottles, and quite a few were disappointed by the actual product quality, describing it as nothing close to what was advertised. Even more concerning, getting a refund seems to be extremely difficult, leaving frustrated customers feeling stuck after spending their hard-earned money. Another major red flag is the company's absence from social media, which is unusual for any legitimate cosmetics brand trying to build trust and a customer base. Considering getlanera.com has been around since 2022, the fact that there's still no solid online presence or credible customer engagement makes it hard to take their claims seriously. While it's not fair to say every purchase will end in disappointment, the risks and red flags are hard to ignore. So before you decide to click that checkout button, it's worth thinking twice. In this review, we're laying out the real details, so you can decide for yourself whether Lanera Foundation is a hidden gem or just another online scam dressed up in fancy packaging.